The name of this article international The name of this article, Importance of a Sweating Therapy and a Upakrama in a Panchakarma, published by the International Journal of Innovative Pharmaceutical Science and the Research, written by Radhika Nilesh Bhise, Dr. Radhika Nilesh Bhise, Dr. S.P. Kulkarni, Dr. Suraj Rathod, Dr. Ravindra Kedia. Abstract. A human body is one of the most exciting nature's miracle. It is a very complex multicellular organism in which the survival and health depend upon proper organization and the coordination, homeostasis, and the harmony between self and surrounding. Ayurveda is a science of a health. This science have a preventive, curative types of a therapy for achieving a complete health of an individual by maintaining a tissue equilibrium. Swedan is a treatment modality common to a Ayurvedic clinic practice, practiced either as a preparatory component to the Panchakarma or as an independent intervention. Swedan is a praise for its relaxing and the detoxifying the effects all through the classical Ayurvedic text. Corresponding author, they are the introduction. Swedan or sweating is a mala, one of the mala of one of the Med dhatu produced in the consequence to the heat exposure. Therapeutic production of a Sweda via applying the variety of a measure is known as a Svedana Karma. Svedana Karma is presumed under a Shada Upakrama, 6 type of alternative therapy tool. It is the foremost procedure of a Panchakarma. It brings a sthira in a human body, that is the stability of a body and a life, produces a Sveda. It alleviates a stambha, that is the stiffness, gaurava, heaviness, and a shitata in the body. Snehana produces a cleanata of the morbid dosha, which are situated in a koshtaha, dhatu, strotas, shakha, and in a asti. Thereafter, the Swedan liquefies the soft dosha. These liquefied dosha easily transformed into the movable form and later on removed by the Shodhana therapy as a oily and a moist wood burned by the Agni. Thus, Sweda is useful just after a Snehana therapy. Both procedure helps to cause the utkleshon of a dosha. Svedana should be applied according to the dosha by the support of a proper formulation of a drug. The consequences of the Sveda are determined on the basis of a Roga Rutu. It specifies the Vatika disorder, encourages elimination of a Purush, Mutra and Aretas accumulated in the body. According to Acharya Kashyapa, Svedana Karma is a beneficial since birth, but the child required a special consideration of a Krisha and a Madhyama Bala. Balaka requires avastika svedana. Excessive and under the sedation are forbidden for a young children. Svedana procedure is indicated especially for a vatika and a kapha disorder. It provides energy to the passive and the morbid dosha. Svedana karma generated a warmth in the body, pacify a vata dosha and govern a various function described as below. Properties of a svedana dravya: agni dipti, that is improve digestion and the metabolism. Mardavam produces a smoothness and the flexibility. Tvaka prasadan, shining and the softness of the skin. Bhakta Shraddha, that is a Bhakta Shraddha, that is desire to consume milk. Nirmala Srotasa, clean channel. Jadya Haraha, relief of stiffness. Tandrahara, help to get rid of lethargy. And the Sandhi Stambhanahara, help to activate the stiffness of the joint. Then a Nidrahara, diminished excessive sleep. Agni, element of the Panchamahabhuta, is a functional component for a Sveda, and all Svedana Dravya should have the following qualities: Ushnata, Tikshnata, Sarata, Snigdhata, Rukshata, Sukshmata, Dravata, Sthirata, and Agurita. Classification of a Sveda: type according to their nature, Mrudu or a Swalpa Sveda, that is a mild. Very mild type of a Sveda is applicable, and intense type of a Sveda karma may produce a harm. These type of a Svedana should be applied at the following region or throughout the process of intense Veda. These parts must be protected via cold stuff. Andakosha, that is the scrotum, Rudaya, cardiac region, and netra, eyes. Madhyama or Alpa Sveda, that is a moderate. Vankshana region, that is the inguinal region, and a sandhi are suitable for the moderate sedation. Mahasveda, that is intense. Apart from the area pointed under a mrudu and the madhyama sveda are supposed to be appropriate for the Mahasveda. Whole body is suitable. Types of classification applied according to the Balaha. Mahasveda appropriate for the person who have a good strength and at the winter season or in a cold environment. Madhyama sveda appropriate for the person having a medium strength and at the time of a sadharana kalah, durbala svet, appropriate for the person having a less strength, and when there is a durbala balaha, and when there is a slight cold environment. Type of a sveda according to a method or of a sveda dravya or nature of a svedan equipment. Tapa sveda, svedan by the hard surface like a iron plate, stone. They have a tough surface. Before the application, contact with the fire is required. Then touch to the surface it is desired to the area. Ushna svet, steam inducing the sweat. Upanaha, semi-solid substances are used in the form of a poultice. Dravya sveda, liquid substances or a water or a decoction of a drug are the used. Type of a, on the basis of the quality of a svedana. Snigdha sveda, recommended in the vata dosha and the problem of a pakvasha. Ruksha sveda, recommended in a kaphaja disorder and the problem of a amasha. Type on the basis of a properties of a sveda, ruksha sveda, snigdha sveda and the ruksha snigdha. Special types of a classification described by the Acharya Kashyap, especially for the children. This should be applied in a proper kala, roga and according to type of a deha. Hasta sveda, pradeha, that is a medicated pack. Nadisve, pipe fermentation. Prastara, by warm rock. Sankara, mixed fermentation. Upanaha, poultice. Avagaha, tube bath. And Parishek, that is a shower steam. Type of a svedana based on the area applied. Ekangataha sveda, that is locally or a particularly organ or a target area. Sarvanga Gataha sveda, that is generalized applied all over the body. Discussion on the probable mode of action of a Svedana karma. Svedan is one of the mala described by the Ayurveda. Although mala are the waste products in general at the time, these play a useful role in the body. Even though Svedan is a Purva karma, it has its own entity as a Pradhana karma in some diseases. The wide range of indication of the procedure show it's important as a principal method of a treatment. Moreover, Charaka included Sveda karma in a Shadavidha Upakramaha. They increase the metabolic rate. By the Svedana process, our body temperature increase, and due to increase in body temperature, sympathetic activities are also increased. Because of the increased sympathetic activity, hormones like epinephrine, non-epinephrine, cortisol, thyroid hormone are released, which accelerate the metabolic rate and stimulate the process of lipolysis. As a result of increased metabolism, there is an increased demand of oxygen and increased output of a waste product. It can be correlated with the digestion of ama. Vasodilation, if the body temperature rises, a negative feedback action become active to reach at the normal temperature. Higher temperature of a blood stimulate a thermoreceptor that sends a nerve impulse to the pre-optic area of the brain, which in a turn stimulate the heat losing center and inhibit the heat promoting center. Nerve impulses from the heat losing center causes a dilation of a blood vessel in the skin, so the excess heat is lost to the environment via radiation and the conduction. As a result of a vasodilation, there is an increased blood flow through the area, so that the necessary oxygen and the nutritive material are supplied and waste product are removed. It can be correlated with the Srudmukha Vishodhanaha. Stimulation of sweat gland. A high temperature of a blood stimulated a sweat gland. What's happening? A high temperature of a blood stimulates the gland of the skin via hypothermic activation of the sympathetic nerve, and by this procedure excessive sweat production takes place. With the increased sweat production, more waste products are expelled out of the body through the medium of a sweat. Hence it is can be said as a Svedana correct sah Svedava Srutu Dushti. Importance of a Sveda karma in a Panchakarma. Svedana karma is essential for doing any procedure in the Panchakarma. Due to pre-procedure like a Snehana Svedana karma, tolerance and the acceptance of a consequence of a main procedure is improved. It makes changes in the Bhatida dosha to mobilize them without a trouble and thus easily removed from the body tissue without creating harm to the body. Purva karma helps to achieve a best response of a many procedure of a Panchakarma. Subsequently, body develops a sensitivity to keep a balance throughout the process of a Pradhana karma. Avoidance of a pre-procedure produces a complication as an unripe fruit get crushed during a juice extraction, where a ripened fruit is the best and juice can be easily extracted. Thank you so much for listening me this article. Importance of a sweating therapy and upakarma in the Panchakarma.